So are you looking for a 55 and older community here in Port St Lucie, Florida? Maybe you're not quite ready to move now, but you want to try to get in on some introductory pricing? Stick around, you're not going to want to miss this video. My name is Megan Schoner. I'm a local real estate agent here in Port St Lucie, Florida, and I love helping you guys from YouTube every single day find your treasure of a home here on the Treasure Coast. So if you're looking the next 9 days, 90 days, next year or two, please feel free to reach out to me. My email and cell phone are listed below. I would love to answer any questions that you have and help you with your home search. So in today's video, we are at a brand new construction community called Catalina Palms at Sundance. I did a previous video on this community as well, but today I wanted to take you in through some of the different models to give you an idea of what is available here, what the pricing is. They are doing introductory pricing currently, so they're not doing a ton of incentives. They're just taking what they would have normally given you on the incentives off the price. So you have a lot of different options in terms of the pricing. They have a mix of smaller homes. They start with the villas, which are the attached homes, and go all the way up to 4 to 5 bedroom single family homes. So what's exciting about this community is a lot of the other 55 and older communities are almost finished building or towards the end of the building, and these guys are the brand new, just starting. So currently the build time on these is about a year. They are expecting to have the clubhouse done they said around September of 2027. So if you are getting ready to retire or thinking about retiring, maybe you want to get in and purchase a home now and then have it ready for you in the next year or two, this might be a really good option for you in this community. With this community, it is similar to Riverland in the sense that there is no CDD, so there's no community development district tax. They are going to also have a restaurant on site too. This is going to be a smaller community. So Riverland currently has 4 communities that are all about 11 to 1,200 homes each. They are going to build a 5th one starting later this year, but this one is going to be just about 1,200 homes. So they're going to have lots of amenities, but they're not going to have maybe as many amenities as Riverland. So if you're looking for something that's maybe a little bit quieter, but still has the restaurant, still has pickleball, resort style pool, lots and lots of activities, this might be a really good option for you. So come along, let's take a look at some of the different homes and models that are available. And again, don't forget, when you are going to new construction, please feel free to reach out to your realtor, hopefully it's me, before you go into any of these model homes and meet with any of the new construction people. It does not change the cost of your home to have a realtor with you, and they pay us out of their marketing budget. So it doesn't change the cost at all to you. And it's better to have somebody on your side that knows the different builders. If there's a problem, let me be the bad guy and beat up the builder for you. Or if you're not here and you want to just have someone to really check on the progress of the home for you, I'm happy to do that as well too. So let's take a look at these homes. If you have any questions, or if you're interested in this community or any of the other 55 and older communities in the area, please feel free to reach out to me. I would love to help you on your home search. Behind me is the Sonoma. This is part of the Diamond Collection. It is a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 3-car garage, 2,788 square feet under air, and the base price on this one is $754. Let's take a look. So again, you have the flat tile roofs, you have the 3-car garage, and it's this way. So sometimes people like this layout a little bit better. This is going to be more of your more of a typical Florida layout of this home. Again, you have the next transom windows, you have the double entry door. Really nice natural light in here. Going down through the primary. Your double vanities here. Nice shower with the rain head into the tub. Again, the double walk-in closets. Beautiful master suite with entry over to the lanai. One of the nice features about this house is the separation that you have from the other bedrooms. So the primary is at the very back of the home. Coming up to the front of the home, if we go to the left over here, down this hallway, you have a guest half bath, extra storage. You have the laundry room. And then you have all this privacy here, an extra ensuite, so an extra bathroom. Bedroom over here. And then coming back off of the front, you have another bedroom and bathroom over here. So lots of room for lots of guests, family. So this is the Monterey. This is the largest home that they have here at Catalina Palms. This is currently a 3-bedroom, which the flex room could be considered a 4th bedroom if you need, and it also has a club room behind it. 2-car garage with a golf cart. The square footage on this is 3,343 square feet under air, a total of 4,444 total square feet, with a introductory base price of $812,000. Let's take a look. So as you enter, you see the nice tall ceilings here. Off to the right, off the front door, is one of the en-suites. You have the laundry room going out to the garage. Now looking over to our left, we have another bedroom, extra bathroom over here. Into another bedroom. And coming into the main part of the house, this is the large flex room, which can also be turned into a bedroom if you want. Nice open floor plan, lots of natural light, large kitchen. This is the club room that's behind it. So this is another entertaining space with access to the patio. We've got an extra bathroom over here. And this is the primary suite. You have double walk-in closets. Beautiful shower, soaker tub, double vanities. This is what Florida is all about, is this outdoor entertaining, indoor-outdoor living. This is a gas community. And lots of easy access for indoor entertaining. This is the Palm behind me. This is again part of the Ruby collection. It is a 2-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,287 square feet under air with a base price of $508,000. Let's take a look. This one's good if you want more of a formal dining room. Some people like to have it, some people don't, but it's nice to have that option. Into the primary. Double closets. Nice shower. One of the nice things about this builder is that they have these walk-in showers, so they don't have a step up or step down. This is going to be an extra bath. This is a flex room. And then you have the other bedroom up front. This is just off of the garage, so you've got the laundry and sink. And this, you can make it a next generation. So if you want to have it as an in-law suite, have a living room with a small kitchen, and then you'll have a bedroom and bathroom. And this is the Blanc. This is actually one of their villas. They do have 4 villas here. 2 bedrooms plus a flex, 2 bathrooms, 2-car garage, 1,598 square feet under air. And the base price on it is only $352,900. Let's take a look. So with the villas, they are attached. The other villas over that way with the garage. They usually, in this collection, usually come in a set of 4 of the villas all connected. There are some lots that are available with only 2. But this feels like a nice private, like a single family home, because you have your own private entrance like this. Nice sitting area. You walk into your flex room over here. Your second bedroom over here. And the primary. There's one large walk-in closet here. And then there's another one in the very back of the bathroom. So this is the Solana. It is a 2 bedrooms, 3 bath plus a study or a flex room, 2-car garage, 2,187 under air. And this is, the base price on this is $555,000. Let's go take a look. Your primary. This is the flex room. And the second bedroom with its own bathroom. Okay, now we're here at the Magnolia. It's a 2-bedroom with a flex room, 2 bathrooms, 2-car garage, $1,809 under air, and the base price on this Magnolia is $432,900. This is your flex room. And the primary, again with your double walk-in closets. Entry shower. Your double vanities. And your second bedroom and bathroom.